Experience superior connectivity and cost savings with SIP trunking from Sunco Communication and Installation. With us, you'll easily streamline connectivity and enhance communication. If your business has a lot of phone numbers across many locations, we can help. Our SIP trunks allow you to consolidate multiple numbers and add new ones with ease. And with Sunco, you won't have to worry about a pushy salesperson providing solutions you don't need. Our team remains focused on your needs so we can recommend the best solutions for you. Once you're set up, there's no need to worry about navigating multiple lines to solve one problem. The Sunco support team will immediately jump in whenever you have a phone or internet issue. Our dedicated consultations and support is all part of our commitment to high-quality service. We want you to maximize the benefits of SIP trunking and avoid issues as you use your phone lines. Over the past 20-plus years, we've served over 3,000 happy clients. Our SIP trunking and other telecom services can provide your business with 15% cost savings on your telecommunication needs. There's no better time than now to streamline your business communication. Work with Sunco Communication and Installation to expand your business reach without a hassle.